Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Youtheory Collagen plus Biotin pills. You guys could be sure to check the video description for some more information. So basically I was looking for something. I had a baby, and a couple months later I was dealing with postpartum hair loss. That's something that's very common if you're not familiar with it after having a baby. And my nails just felt like weak, and I was really just trying to get them to grow longer. I was trying to get my hair to grow longer. So I was looking up a good collagen, and a friend actually told me about this. So I decided to try it out, and it works really well. If you're someone that's looking to grow your nails longer, strengthen your nails, have your hair grow longer. Now, I will say the only kind of downside is when your hair is growing quicker on your head, it's also growing quicker in other places. So, if your hair is growing quicker, so is the hair and your eyebrows. So I felt like I was getting my eyebrows done more often, shaving my legs more often, stuff like that. However, it's a skin, hair, and nail formula, so it makes your skin nice, plump. It makes your hair shiny, grow faster, and then of course it makes your nails stronger. So this is 6,000 milligrams. It's a dietary supplement. Each bottle comes with 390 tablets and 6,000 milligrams of the hydrolyzed collagen. They don't really have a taste, so I can't say that they taste good or bad because you don't taste much of anything. This is an enhanced formula with biotin boost, fights the effects of aging, revitalizes skin, hair, and nails, supports tendons and ligaments, and it has type 1, 2, and 3 collagen. So if you don't know, collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. They say once you hit 30, and I'm 31, you start to lose the collagen in your skin. That's why I decided I really wanted to start taking these and just kind of like get ahead of that if I could. As we age, collagen naturally breaks down and diminishes over time, leading to the early signs of aging, including wrinkles, thinning hair, brittle nails, and weaker joints. Nobody wants that. And by the way, it's good for men too. Men lose collagen also. Youtheory Collagen is designed to help replenish the essential protein with 6,000 milligrams of highly absorbable collagen per serving, and this product delivers intensive nourishment to help combat the effects of the aging process. It also supplies 100% of the recommended daily value of vitamin C and provides an extra boost of biotin. So vitamin C, I feel like so many people started taking, I always took vitamin C every day, but I feel like more and more people, because of the pandemic, are really trying to boost their immune system and get ahead of it. They say that's one of the things that is helpful if you do, God forbid, get sick. Good to always have extra vitamin C. So I like that it has the vitamin C in there already. Just the information on the back about where it's made and stuff like that. Okay, so the supplement facts. Now, this is something that it doesn't really bother me, but if you're someone that struggles to take pills, which I know a lot of people, or swallow pills, a lot of people do, taking 6 tablets a day is a lot, all at once or in divided doses. I like to just take all my vitamins and everything in the morning, so I take vitamins with this. So this is the 6 tablets. So that was the only kind of downside. I was like, some people might not want to have to swallow 6 pills a day. For me, it's nothing, but I know for some people that might bother them. It tells you there's 3,000 mcg of biotin, 6,000 milligrams of hydrolyzed collagen, and then the vitamin C, 90 milligrams, 100% daily value. So it's kind of like a vitamin C plus the collagen and biotin all in one, which is great. Tells you the amino acids that are listed in it, and the product is manufactured in a facility that processes fish extract, so it wouldn't be good for you to take if you are allergic to fish. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you the size. It's just like the size of like a regular vitamin. I just know that 6 tablets could be a lot to take for somebody that doesn't really like to swallow pills. But like I said, if it doesn't bother you, then it's no issue. And I take them all at once. I just feel like that's definitely easier. Everything is kind of explained to you on the label. It tells you when it's expired, so you get a good amount of time out of them. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I see results. Like I see my, hair getting longer. I see my nails getting stronger and longer as well, growing faster. But downside, got to shave more often because it makes the hair everywhere else on your body grow faster as well. So I suggest anybody, like, collagen is good to take anytime. So once you hit your 20s, like I would say, go ahead and try to add this into your routine if you can. So I've been really happy with these. So this is my review on the Youtheory Collagen plus Biotin pills. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.